The Wurth Wibo, with its angled gear head and compact design, makes light work of difficult or hard to reach areas. The adjustable thumb rest allows the user to apply pressure in any position with either the left or right hand. The soft grip handle ensures user comfort and that the user always has a firm grip of the tool. The use of a rotating handle allows the tool to be used in tight and angled spaces with no need to change the position of the tool. The thumb rest can be moved to create more comfortable handling. To move the thumb rest, simply loosen the retaining screw and then slide the thumb rest towards the handle. Then choose one of the many locking positions which best suits the job at hand. The thumb rest can be removed completely by removing the handle. The magnetic head accepts all common 1/4 inch bits, including the Wurth chuck, suitable for drill sizes of 0.4 to 6 mm. This in turn creates a 90-degree drill.